Hi folks, this is all the fruit, and here I want to show you an example of quite extreme zone pushing. Well, what is zone pushing? Zone pushing is when you plant like not so frost hardy plants in quite a frosty climate. And look at those Cycas. I think they are Cycas. They are definitely Cycadaceae. Look like a palm, but are rather closely related to the conifers. They are basically a plant from the time of the dinosaurs. Mostly a tropical and subtropical family. In really mild places in the Mediterranean, they are quite popular as ornamentals, and there are big collections in parks and gardens, but only in coastal and really mild areas. Here we are in Mannheim in Germany. And yeah, firstly, Cycas, usually they are not edible. There are a couple relatives like the bread fern and other things which are edible under certain conditions, but most of them are highly toxic. I think they have the biggest axle in the plant world and stuff like that. Very interesting plants. The dinosaurs used to eat them. And yeah, they are not very frost hardy. Here in Mannheim, they survived the winter covered just with plastic. Look at it, out of 20, it looks like 1, 2 are dying. The rest have survived quite well, which is amazing. They were covered with plastic in winter, but still they survived out here. Okay, it's city climate, but not a very protected place. They are on a wide road, not protected between houses somewhere. Well, what is it? Cycas revoluta, Cycas reclinata. No, it wasn't Cycas reclinata. Well, some Cycas, I'm pretty sure, which is usually not supposed to survive too cold of a climate. The winter was comparatively harsh. Last winter was comparatively harsh. I think minus 10 degrees for several days and nights. Well, probably not minus 10 during the days, but still with snow and ice during the day. And still those things survived. Pity you cannot eat them. But since I'm planning to plant a lot of really subtropical things around here, this for me is a very interesting thing that those things survived the winter, because now I know they are basically, yeah, there are limits to zone pushing, but you should push the limits all the time, because if those things can survive covered with a simple piece of plastic in the German winter, in a comparatively harsh German winter for the 20s, then a lot of other things also can.